guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, what I've got planned is I've got an induction kit. I've already got the cone filter, but I just want to finish off the look and the system itself. So I'm going to show you what I've got now. So this is what I've got. I've got a Corsa DVXR hose, which you're probably thinking you've got a Corsa E, but these do actually fit onto the Corsa E 1.4 turbos. So I've got the same induction kit as a VXR 1.6 on my 1.4 turbo. So it's made by MK Motorsport Hoses. Shout out to him, he gave me a really decent price, and yeah, he sent a couple stickers as well. So they'll be going on the car as well. So with no further ado, let's get going. So there is 3 bolts you will need to remove. There's one which is sitting on the turbo, and then one that connects to the turbo and the pipe at the bottom, and then there's obviously one that connects to the cone and the MAF. So as you can see here, I'm just taking off the 3 bolts which are holding the pipe in. So I'm taking off the turbo side as well as the obviously induction side, and there's like one in the middle which I'm taking off just so it's easier to get the new induction silicone hose in. It's just how I've obviously personally done it, but you can just take the 2 off. Obviously, as you can see, I've taken the turbo side just because it's just easier. Also, the standard one has a restrictor which you can remove, but it's like the restrictor basically stops you from basically making a load of noise. So without that in, you obviously can make it louder, but with having like an actual pipe, you can basically have like none at all, like no width restrictions. As the standard one, I think it goes from a 3 to a 2.5 or 2.5 to a 3 inch, which the silicone one is a 3 inch all the way. So in theory you should get actually more noise. So I'm checking that all the bolts are tight, which they are, and in a second I'll be throwing in a few clips of what he sounds like. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike, but obviously tell me why. But yeah, hopefully there are going to be some more videos coming out soon, obviously because of what we're in lockdown, so there's not much you can like really do. You just got to basically wait for deliveries and stuff if you're going to install stuff. So I don't know what I'm going to get next, so I'm going to probably hang fire. But there will be obviously little things like coming up. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.